How to get your real estate license in 6 simple steps. First, you must ensure you meet the eligibility requirements for a real estate license in Virginia. The education requirements are that you must be at least 18 years old. You must also have a high school diploma or equivalent. Meeting these prerequisites is essential to begin your journey toward getting a Virginia real estate license. Step 1. Complete your real estate agent pre-license course. You must complete a real estate agent pre-license course consisting of 60 hours of VREB-approved coursework. Our course provides you with a solid foundation in real estate principles, Virginia-specific real estate laws, and ethical standards. Step 2. Pass the real estate agent license course final exam. You must pass your course exam to complete the next step in getting your real estate license. Your performance on this exam is a crucial indicator of your readiness to take the state licensing exam. You must pass with a score of 75% or higher. Take advantage of our free practice exams. At MLS Campus, you can take the free Virginia Real Estate License practice exams as many times as you need to prepare you for your end-of-course exam. Step 3. Pass the Virginia Real Estate License Salesperson Examination, which consists of a national exam of 80 questions. A passing score of 70% or higher is needed. The Virginia State portion of the exam has 40 questions, and you need to score at least 75% to pass. You must take the state exam at a PSI testing center. Passing both sections is a testament to your knowledge and readiness to become a licensed real estate agent in Virginia. Step 4. Complete a background check and fingerprinting. This process is conducted at an authorized PSI testing center. All applicants wishing to get a Virginia real estate license must maintain the ethical standards expected of real estate professionals. Step 5. Secure a sponsoring broker. Before applying for your Virginia real estate license, you must affiliate with a licensed Virginia real estate broker. Choosing a sponsoring broker is a key step in getting your Virginia real estate license. They will guide and support you through the start of your new career in real estate. Step 6. Apply for your Virginia real estate license. You must submit your real estate license application to the VREB. This application must include proof that you have completed the real estate agent license course for Virginia. Your passing scores from both sections of the real estate license state exam. You will also need to submit your fingerprinting and background check documentation along with a processing fee for your Virginia real estate license application of $170. Read our guide on how to get a real estate license for more information about the cost to get your license, course information, FAQs, and useful links to the VREB website. MLS Campus is an online real estate school with over 15 years of experience. Join thousands of students and get your Virginia real estate license. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.